Hey friends, if you wish to increase the number of recent files in Word, Excel and PowerPoint, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the procedure is the same for all three apps, Word, Excel and PowerPoint. I'll show you for Word. You can apply it on other applications in a very similar manner. Click on File. In the Home tab, you'll see a lot of recent documents. Okay, but these are not complete. Like you can click on that forward arrow or show all documents, and then you'll see around 50 here in the list. Okay, this is by default. So how do you change this? Click on options here and then go to the advanced tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and you'll find the display section. It shows the number of recent documents. I can change it to 100 if I want to keep more here, or I can change it to 20 if I need less. Okay, I think we cannot go over 50, but I'll try. No, we cannot go over 50. We can go to a maximum of 50. So I can reduce it to 20 and then I'll click on OK to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.